Pakistani and you watching Mr. Pakistan, and today this video I will teach you how this motor is works. This is ceiling fan. So in a cable, ceiling mounting ceiling fan with controller. So this is a synchronous motor and this is a motor driver circuit. Now so those explain us before explaining the circuit. First explain how it's works. First there are fuse, 10 ohm instant limited resistor, capacitor dropper, 470 ohm resistor, 470 kilo ohm resistor, to discharge capacitor rectifier, smooth capacitor, 5 volt regulator, and main IC which is unknown number. Number is missing. The mystery IC or microcontroller, and the 20 ohm resistor, IR sensor, receiver, fan capacitor, and filter capacitor, and some LEDs, and the asynchronous motor. Now those are circuit diagram, and after see out, because this is I already get this unit without any test, so I am buy this thing for electronic shop, so it can give me like that this way. So there is no plastic body, just like a board and motor. Now explain a circuit. So it starts there. This looks quite complicated, but it is not. Neutral's dose, full bridge rectifier, 1 terminal, phase dose, fuse, 10 ohm instant resistor, 105J 400 volt non-electrolytic capacitor dropper to drop a voltage, and this capacitor dropper needs 470 kilo ohm resistor to discharge, and then those rectifier smoothed by this 470 microfarad 16 volt capacitor, then those 1 kilo ohm resistor and 5 volt Zener diode to make a 5 volt supply. Initially there are 12 volt supply and drop down into 5 volt supply, and this 5 volt supply is moved by 100 microfarad 16 volt and non-electrolytic 2 capacitors. Then those IR pin number 1 and pin number 2. 1 is positive and 2 is negative. And negative and let me wait. Positive also those the 4 LEDs positive terminal as buzzer. These 4 LEDs is negative connected by 4 620 ohm resistor, and 1 is buzzer is connected to a positive to this IC, and this IC is mystery IC. So IC pin number 1, infrared sensor receiver, output pin is connected to 1.5 kilo ohm resistor to IC pin number 1. IC2 is connected to a buzzer with a 47 microfarad capacitor. 3 is connected to a positive line, 5 volt positive. Pin number 4 is connected to a LED. 2 and 6 is connected to a that number, the that 620 ohm resistor to a that date. This is a 4 tracks MAC 97AA61. So it's 4 tracks. That's the M1 terminal is common to that with neutral terminal, and M2 terminal are correct I, medium, low, and very low. This test it's not use very low terminal, so that's why very low terminal is open. Medium I, these 3 terminals is control the fan speed. When update this IC can send a signal between these 4 dates. With this resistance protect for over voltage flow between this IC to a date, or prevent transistors for overcurrent into a date. This IC pin number 1 is input for IR with 1 kilo ohm resistor, pin number 2 for buzzer, pin number 3 for positive, pin number 4 for LED number 2, pin 5 switch is for I side, I and medium control, and pin number 7, pin number 8 is connected to a LED, third LED pin with 620 ohm resistor. 9 is connected to other 620 ohm resistor to LED. Pin number 10 is open. 11 is connected to the ground, 12 is open, 13, 14 are connected to the low or very low tracks with 620 ohm resistors. And these four terminals is derived to one terminal, very low terminal is not used there, so this wire is cut off right there. This, let me see, this wire, if you slowly see there, a wire is cutting. This cut wire is a very low wire, so this motor cannot offer run with very low speed. So that's why this is not used there. And there, this is IC or microcontroller, but this time this number is missing, so I cannot identify which one is. This is a mystery IC or mystery microcontroller, but I am pretty sure this thing is a decoder, something like decoder, which decode infrared signal receiver and do the proper functions by controlling fan, different speeds, and also change the LED status to tell us which speed fan is running. And fan is synchronous fan, so fan 3 contains 6 wires. These 3 wires for speed controlling, red for full, blue for normal, and white for medium speed, and black is common. Black is common, which is running winding, and yellow and brown wire is using. So first motor needs running test need I torque. So these 2 wires connect yellow and brown wires connect this capacitor, which then give a first starting torque. When motor turn on, we cannot need any more torque. So that's why we control speed by these 3 wires. And this video is end with them next video very soon. Pause.